Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we have Wish Wednesday, and can we start a better Wednesday than with NEFFEX? We love NEFFEX here on Gordon Guitar. And this song is called New Beginnings, and wished of Nathan Mireles. So, Nathan Mireles, this one is special for you, and for all you NEFFEX fans. And I know NEFFEX has a great fan base here. So let's start right away. We need to set our capo on the first fret. We have 4 chords that will go on here through the entire song in the same order. So that's great. Let's start with the F. So you need to bar all strings here on the first fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord will be C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next is G, so 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. I will just throw in here an extra variation here of the F. This is the shorter one. And the reason for that is that we will play a little melody there right after A minor, and then on the next chord, because it goes round and round, comes the F, and this one is a bit easier perhaps for some of you to play than the standard F here with the full bar. So this shorter F is played like this: 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and 1st E. And I usually bar the 1st B and E with my endings finger. So that's just one variation of F. Otherwise, F, C, G, and A minor. Okay, so let's look at the strumming pattern first. It's pretty long, so you will have to think as pair of chords here to get this right, because one strumming pattern goes over 2 chords. All right, so F to C will sound like this. All right, so the F part will be down, down, up, up. Okay, so down, down, up, up. Okay, and the C part will be down, down, up, down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up. So if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So F, 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 C, 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 C. Alright, so that is how you play the strumming. And the same goes for G. You play the same part for G as you play for F. So down, down, up, up. And then comes the A minor. And you will play the A minor not exactly as long as the C. You will start and play the same for first down and ups. So for A minor it will be down, down, up only. So the G is the same as F, but the A minor will only have the first 4 downs and ups as the C has, because we have this little medley going on in the end of A minor. So the A minor will be just down, down, up, up. So from G, down, down, up, down, down, up, up. Okay? And after this down, down, up comes this little melody here. If you listen carefully, this is a melody right after this strumming in the end of A minor. So the A minor will be down, down, up, up. And what you do there, you play like that. So the melody goes on the B string only. So open B string, first fret B string, open B string, and first fret B string. And what I do here to get the speed, I just go one down with my right hand on the first open, and the rest will be hammer on, pull off, and hammer on. So that's a technique you use with your left hand. You hammer on the string. Like that, all right? And that will fulfill one chord progression. So to summarize this, F to C is one strumming pattern. So that will be down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. Then G starts in the same way as F. Down, down, up, up, and then you play the same for A minor. Down, down, up, up, plus this melody. And when you have played this melody, that is the reason for why I gave you the second variation of F, because it's hard. It's not impossible, but it's a bit harder, in my opinion, to go back to the full F here after you played. Then you must shift very, very fast up here to get the bar there, okay? So that is the reason for the shorter F, since the shorter F is already here with your index finger. So you just need to do this, okay? Just a shorter shift, a smaller shift, like this, instead of going up here, all right? So it's up to you to use the F for strumming, the full F, or the shorter one. So that is what's going on here in this song. You have the intro, you play 2 rounds of this chord progression with F, C, G, and A minor. And then starts the first verse, and that will go on for another 8 rounds. And after these 8 rounds, so in total now of 10 rounds, comes the chorus in the lyrics, and I feel so alive. Here, if you listen carefully, the strumming, the exact same strumming goes on in the background, but it's more prominent with just one down and a clap. So like this, okay? So you're gonna play F, clap, C, clap, G, clap, A minor, clap. That is one chord progression. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds of that chord progression in the chorus, but on the last 3rd round, you will skip the last 2 chords. So the G and A minor is just lyric parts. So you can say 2.5 round. That is actually what we're playing here for the chorus with the down clap. You could choose to play the strumming, but it's more correct with the down clap. All right. Then comes the second verse, played in the same way as the first verse, 8 rounds, exactly in the same way. And then comes the second and final chorus. So it's played in the same way there. Yeah, it's actually 8 rounds. So it's much longer than the first chorus. And you could choose to play the standard strumming there or the down clap. But after the first 4 rounds, so after the first 4 rounds, I would really prefer to play the standard strumming, because that grows a little bit more in the second chorus here. And for the last 4 rounds, it's really prominent there. So I would choose to play perhaps the down clap for the first 4 rounds in the second chorus, and for the last 4 rounds, I will go with the strumming. And that is how this cool song from NEFFEX, New Beginnings, ends. So yeah, I hope this was helpful for you, especially you, Nathan Mireles, and for all you NEFFEX fans. So see you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.